Consider the following statements regarding the original Calcutta General Advertiser. Which of these are correct? 1. It was founded by James Augustus Hickey. It was the first printed newspaper to be published in both the Indian subcontinent and in Asia. Answer is both. Not solution is not there. Solution is not there. Consider the following statements regarding ring fence policy. Which of these are correct? It was introduced by Warren Hastings. It aimed at creating buffer zones to defend the company's frontiers. Third, the states brought under the ring fence system were assured of military assistance against external aggression, but at the buffer states' expense. Fourth, this policy was reflected in wars against the Marathas and Mysore. Answer 1, 2, 3 and 4 books. Tawa ring fence policy. Next. Who amongst the following established Asiatic Society of Bengal in 1784? Charles Wilkins, Warren Hastings, Jonathan Duncan, William Jones. Next. आंसर क्या था इसका? William Jones. Consider the following statements regarding Indigo Revolt 1859 से 60. Which of these are correct? Peasants were supported by Bengal intelligentsia. Second, it also saw the coming together of many zamindars with the ryots or farmers. Even a woman participated in the revolt. Fourth, it was a successful legal battle. Answer 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next. Who translated Neel Darpan in English? Dr. Niranjan Bandyopadhyay, Michael Madhusudan Dutt, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, or Reverend James Long. Next. Consider the following statements. Which of these are incorrect? 1. Treaty of Salbai signed between the Lord Hastings and Mahadaji Scindia. Treaty of Srirangapatnam signed between Lord Cornwallis and Tipu Sultan. Answer is one only. Solution. Treaty of Salbai was signed by Warren Hastings. Next. Consider the following statements regarding Kawal system. Which of these are incorrect? Security system prevalent in ancient and medieval Tamil Nadu. It is mentioned in Sangam literature. It was hereditary system. The Kavalkars rendered military service to the king and gave security to the country against external invasions. Solution. The Polygars rendered military service to the king and gave security to the country against external invasions. The Kavalkaran, on the other hand, discharged police duties and preserved internal order. Next. Consider the following statements regarding Ward's Dispatch 1854. Which of these are incorrect? Recommended that in every district there should be a government school. Establishment of universities in Bombay, Madras and Bengal on lines of London University. Roorkee Engineering College was established. Roorkee Engineering College was established based on Charles Ward's Dispatch. It signaled a shift away from downward filtration theory. Next. Consider the following statements regarding Sannyasi revolt. Which of these are correct? 1. Geographical spread of Sannyasi revolt. Bihar, Orissa and Bengal. Anandmat Deri Chandumani novels by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay are based on it. Third, only Hindus participated in the revolt. Answer 1 and 2. Solution YouTube link. और Ward's Dispatch का है. Ward's Dispatch promoted education, rejecting the downward filtration theory. Aspirants should know all these spheres. At least one government should be opened in every district. Bombay, Madras and Calcutta universities were set up in 1857. In all provinces, education departments were set up. Bethune School, founded by J.D. Bethune, was started for women education. Agriculture Institute at Pusa, Bihar and an Engineering Institute at Roorkee were started. British India witnessed rapid westernization of education system with European headmasters and principals in schools and colleges. Private Indian educators appeared. The oldest engineering institution in India, IIT Roorkee, was founded as the College of Civil Engineering in British India in 1847 by the Lieutenant Governor of the Northwestern Provinces, James Thomason. in order to train officers and surveyors employed in the construction of the Ganges Canal. In 1854, after the completion of the canal and Thomason's death, it was renamed the Thomason College of Engineering, Civil Engineering by Proby Cotley, the designer and projector of the canal. The Cavalcars seventh का जो था, the Cavalcars rendered military service to the king and gave security to the country against external invasions. The Polygars rendered military service to the king and gave security to the country against external invasions. The Cavalcar, on the other hand, discharged police duties and preserved internal order. Consider the following statements regarding the Charter Act of 1833, which are incorrect. The law member was added to the Governor General's Executive Council St. Helena, taken back by the British Indian Company. Also known as St. Helena Act of 1833, took away the island of St. Helena in South West Atlantic from the East English East 1833 Chartered Act added a law member to the Governor General's Council.